Oh.
Oh, that's right. Ah, I forgot about that. Yeah, well, see these two pieces right here?
Yeah.
There's a 2x4 on the other side holding those two pieces together, and this is right.
Oh, so the 2x4 is in the way.
That's why these were on there.
Okay.
Shit. Rotten piece of 2x4 holding the shed up. That's all I could find in a moment's notice. I didn't feel like cutting one up.
You do what you gotta do.
Yeah, I didn't feel like cutting one up.
It's just for you to do most of the work, right?
Yeah, it's just gonna frickin' hold it. It ain't gonna do nothing.
It's making noises. Is it gonna fall over on us?
Yep.
Definitely not OSHA approved.
Yeah, we got liftoff.
Your arm's getting a workout?
Yeah, finally my left arm. My right arm's strong as an ox. Okay, ready for splashdown?
Yep. Sounds good.
All right, so like I was suspecting, that corner is low, but we're touching everywhere else. Oh wow, we're not touching the front.
Nope. All right, so he's going to level the back. You can see that our back is not touching on any 3 points back here. So he's getting some shims. We'll fix this portion back here. We've got some non-touchage in the front. Is that even a word? Non-touchage? Non-touchage. Touchage. Now I can't even say it. Anyway. That's too funny. And then we have to build up 3 more piers going down the middle towards the front. Just the one?
Yep.
My finger.
So I think once we get everything supported, we find where everything's level at, we're gonna have to shim this corner again.
Really?
Yeah, because just with the preliminary level in there, it was like almost 2 inches.
In the back?
Yeah.
Okay, so that kind of sucks, doesn't it?
Yeah, a little bit.
So you're going to jack it up for each one?
Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to. There's probably a smarter way to do this. Probably could have just started from one end and jacked it up. Did the 3, moved it in a little bit, jacked it up, put the 3 in.
It's amazing how those little bottle jacks can lift so much weight.
I know, right?
Oh, smart. So you don't drop it all the way down to the ground?
Hell yeah.
Very nice.
My bones, old bones don't like this.
I don't blame you.
You don't blame me, you don't blame my bones.
Don't blame your bones. Even for young bones, it probably doesn't feel good.
So it looks like that's still bowed, doesn't it? So I need to probably go up quite a bit.
Yeah, because I see daylight between the saddle and the 4x4 from here. Oh yeah, I can see it. Moving it up. It's touching now. Last one, honey.
Woo woo.
Poor husband.
Oh, stop it.
You stop it.
I'm not poor. I've got you in my life.
Aww. You're so sweet.
Yeah, I'll take a nice warm glass and shut the hell up.
Damn. Rare.
Damn, that's high, isn't it? I do have a reason to my madness. So, the shed shop, I can't get a vehicle in there, so we need a place to put a vehicle to work on it. So I wanted it this high. Hold on, stay right there, don't go anywhere.
Good job, Goose.
So I wanted it this high so we can put an awning off the side so we can get our pickups underneath it to work on in the winter to keep us out of the weather. So from that point there, the awning will come down to 8 feet. And if I did my math right, please let me know if I didn't, that should give me about a 512 pitch. Or 23-degree angle-ish, 24-degree angle. So we can at least get rid of some snow. So that's why it's up so high, so we can get a vehicle underneath it. Well, either of our vehicles, the plow truck or the Ford.
Whatever you need to work on during the winter.
Whatever we need to get underneath cover in the winter. So I know it's going to be a pain in the ass to get stuff in there, but I got a plan. Maybe. For now, we'll just use pickup ramps. You know, the ramps we used when we pulled the log splitter out of the back of the truck and it almost killed Tony? Those ramps. So for now, I'll just use those ramps to get the stuff in there. But I'm going to put a small deck out front and we'll put an awning over the front. And I'll put a ramp on one side and then stairs on the other side.
That'll be nice.
Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to do... I'm kind of conflicted about the ramp. I kind of like this idea of having the ramp maybe come down this side here. And then when we're not using it, we can lift it up and move it out of the way. And it'll act almost like a wall for that side of the deck.
I think that's a good idea.
And then stairs in the front. I don't know.
Why not? Because you're not going to use the ramp all the time.
No.
It would just to get something that's really heavy in and out.
Stuff on wheels and
yeah.
But it makes sense also to have... What are you doing? Come on. Come on, mister. Out.
It's like, I like this. It's like a big doghouse.
It is a big doghouse, huh, dude?
Next, you're gonna paint the floor and we're gonna load it up.
Yep, next we're painting the floor, and then we're gonna put everything that's in there back in there.
What are you doing, Goose? Are you dancing with Daddy?
Hi, Goose. Who's up, buddy? Give me a kiss. Thank you, buddy. Thank you, mister. Hi, Goose. Oh, I know. Ouch. Anybody want any guinea fowl? We're getting rid of them. We don't want them anymore. Well, we're gonna keep 2, a mama and a papa, and get rid of the other 3. So Jeremy, be on the lookout for a guinea fowl coming towards you. So anyway, that's it. So do Tony a favor, like, subscribe, comment, say hi to the dogs, Goose and Gabby.